Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Windows 10 ISO file. First of all, open your browser and click here. Before clicking, just right click on screen and click inspect here. Okay, then refresh. You have to come to mobile, any of the chosen settings, then go for search, type Windows, just a minute, you have to type Windows ISO 10. Here the first link, go inside it. When you get inside, scroll down, you will get something like Windows 10 2023 update version, select edition Windows 10 multi edition and confirm, and select product language. It will ask you the language. We'll go with English, confirm. Once you do this, it will be asking downloads for Windows 10 English, that is 32-bit or 64. Right now we are using 64-bit, so I'll go with 64. Once you see the downloads will be started, you can see here it is of about 5.7 GB. So your pen drive must be greater than 5.7. that is, you can either choose 8 GB pen drive or 16 or 32 or 64. Below this you can't use. Okay, stay tuned. Now you can see I have downloaded this. You just don't want to open anything here, just close it. So that's it guys, that's the process of downloading Windows 10. It's a bit complicated as we are using the mobile phone system in the browser. So once you download, it is easy to boot up another USB device. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.